There are many beautiful new lighting choices to enhance your home's curb appeal and add nighttime illumination. However, before you choose, you need to consider fixture size and mounting height. For entrances and garages, select fixtures that measure 1/4 to 1/3 of the door's height. Mount them at eye level, about 5.5 to 6 feet from the fixture's center down to the floor or ground. For entrance doors, mount the lights on either side 8 to 10 feet apart. Use a single wall lantern to illuminate a one-car garage. For 2 or more car garages, mount lights on either side of the doors, or mount fixtures across the top of the door for even illumination. Install hanging lights from the ceiling of covered porches, entryways, and patios. Keep at least 7 feet clearance from the ground to the fixture's base, including the chain or stem connections. Post lanterns are a great solution to bring lighting into your lawn or to highlight a fenced-in area. Be sure to select an accessory post or pedestal to complete the installation. Progress Lighting is committed to creating luxury lighting fixtures that become the statement, the art piece, and the focal point of your home. With over a century of lighting technology, leadership, and engineering, we manufacture the highest quality, energy-efficient lighting fixtures that are beautiful, offer stellar performance, and are easy to install.